How to change Spotify password. Hello everyone, this is Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the Google Chrome or any web browser. After that, there search for spotify.com password reset. Now go to the reset page and there type your email address and tap on send link. After that, what you have to do is go to your email and check for the link sent by Spotify. So here tap on the reset password and you can just simply type your new password and type it again to confirm your new password and tap on change password. So this will set the new password of your Spotify. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.